Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options because that unlocks the controls you need. Tap Settings, then About Phone, and repeatedly tap Build Number until it confirms. This authorizes you. Once done, return to Settings and flip the developer options toggle on. Make sure to connect your device to a charger and allow the screen to stay awake during changes. This prevents interruptions. Doing this now prepares the system for safe adjustments that directly affect animation, background limits, and process behavior. You now change the specific performance parameters that speed up interaction. First, reduce window, transition, and animator scale to 0. 5x or off to shorten animation time. This makes the UI feel faster. Next, limit background processes to 2 or 3, or 1 if you want aggressive RAM savings. That frees memory for the foreground app. Then consider force GPU rendering only when apps have choppy UI, otherwise it can increase battery use. Make sure to test responsiveness after each change so you can balance speed You finish by rebooting so all settings apply cleanly. A restart avoids transient glitches. Once rebooted, use your phone normally and monitor battery drain, CPU overheating, or app crashes over the next 24 to 48 hours to catch side effects. If something goes wrong, revert only one setting at a time so you can identify the cause quickly. As a troubleshooting tip, if the system becomes unstable, disable recent developer changes and reboot. This isolates the problematic tweak without erasing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.